Hey guys! So today I'm going to teach you how to make this habit tracker in Notion with progress bars. So as you tick a habit off, the progress bar increases. So to start off, you're gonna have a new page and click the slash button. Then type in calendar and click on calendar view. So here you click on new calendar because you want to start with a blank database. And then you can title your calendar. So I'm going to make it habit tracker. Then again, if you don't like seeing the title of the database, you can just hide it. So this is the important part. You have to click on new and click on a new template. So this is going to show up all over the calendar and it's going to make our lives a whole lot easier. So I'm titling this daily habits. You can title it whatever you want. So you can delete tags and then start making new properties. To add our habits, we're going to use the checkbox property. And I'm making this habit skincare. Okay. And then we're going to duplicate this property and change it to another habit you want to track. So maybe reading. And then we're going to continue to duplicate properties as many times as you want, depending on how many habits you want to track. So I'm just changing this to write. And then I'm just going to duplicate the property again. And then change this to water. And then the final one, duplicate property, and then change this to exercise. So those are all your properties. You can add more if you want. So we're going to add another property. And this is going to be formula. This is how the progress bar, the percentage progress bar is made. So I'm going to change this to progress. And I don't like the icon, even though you can't see it. I just always tend to change it. So I'm always looking for like a progress kind of circle. And I like this one. So now we're going to edit the formula. This is the one you want to keep your eye on because you can, if you miss a comma or a bracket, it can mess up the whole formula. So we're going to use round and you're going to put 2 brackets. We're now going to move to the next line. And in order to do that, you'll press Shift and Enter at the same time. Okay, so you want to type in 2 number and it'll pop up. You click it. And then you just select the habits that you want. So skincare. And then Shift and Enter, plus 2 number, read. You just keep repeating the same thing. In order for this to work, make sure you select all the habits you want to track. And I think those are all the habits I'm tracking, so there are 5 for me. So then you close the bracket, press the divide sign, and then depending on the number of habits you have, that's the number you put. So as you can see, I have 5 habits, so I'm going to put 5. And then I'm going to put times 1000, close the bracket, divided by 1000. And that's it. And then you're going to save. And you're going to press ring. And then go to number format and change it to %. So this is how it should end up looking like. And also keep in mind, if you change any of the properties, so let's say you change it to writ or something, it's going to change in the formula. So, and then so this is the template and it's going to continue to pop up. So you exit and then click the drop down button, set this as default for all views in the habit tracker. So when you open a new page, you're going to see this. Now, you can't see the habits and the checkboxes, so you're going to click these 3 dots, go to properties, and show all these things. I like my progress bar at the bottom, so I'm just going to move this and put it down. And it should show like this. And when you click it, it's going to increase. And when you remove it, it's going to decrease. So in order to make our lives easier and not have to make a new daily habit box every single time, you can click this button, click on your default template, click these buttons, go to repeat and put it on daily. Then it's going to start at the day you created the calendar, so you can't change that. You're going to go to create, make sure it's at 12 a.m. and then click your time zone. And then you exit and it's going to pop up every single day by 12 a.m. And that's how you create the habit tracker. It's very simple and very easy. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you do have any questions, let me know in the comments.